Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the biometric unlock in the blockchain application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here if you scroll down a little bit in the settings category, you should select the fourth option, which is security. And here you can just see the fourth option, which is enable biometric unlock. You can just press on it and you can see that it is enabled now, and if you press on it once again it will be disabled, but for some reason it doesn't work right now. But anyway, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.